Hello everyone. Today we will be solving the question longest increasing subsequence. So we have already seen the recursion and memoization approach for this question. In this video we are going to be solving the tabulation approach for this question. And first of all, I would like to explain how we are going to go about the tabulation process. So the main logic here is we have the nums array and we are going to be making a DP array, and each index of DP array is going to save the longest increasing subsequence for that particular index of nums. For example, if our is at 9, so it will save what is the longest increasing subsequence of 9. Similarly, for 2 to 5, it's gonna save longest increasing subsequence for each index. So how is this going to help? The Because using the previous longest increasing subsequence, we can easily find the longest increasing subsequence for the current index. For example, suppose we want to solve for 7. So if 7 checks 5, then it does not need to go before that because it knows that we have already found the longest increasing subsequence of 5. We just need to build upon that. That's the whole logic for this tabulation approaches. So yeah, let's code it up. So yeah, first we will initialize the size of our nums array. Then we will make a vector. I'll name it t, which is actually going to save the longest increasing subsequence for each index. And in future, we'll be needing an maximum integer because we need to find the maximum dp value out of all, because that is because what is dp is saving, dp is saying the longest increasing subsequence, and the index having the longest subsequence is going to be the maximum one. So that's why now we will make a for loop that is going to iterate through each element of our nums, and again and for loop which is going to iterate from index 0 to our index I. Uh, and what is our condition? It's simple. If nums of I is greater than nums of j, then we are just gonna then our value of current index will be maximum of ti, that is the current value, tj plus 1. Yeah, so that's about it. Now we just need to uh, write the maximum condition, that is its max of max I and t of I, and at the end we just need to return max I. So yeah, let's see if this works. uh, this is pretty where did I make a mistake? Okay, there's a typo mistake. Yeah, let's run it. Okay, it's passing all the test cases. Let's try to submit it. Okay, I was able to solve the question using tabulation approach. So yeah, this was the basic approach. For each index, we find the longest increasing subsequence of each index, and using that index, we can find longest increasing subsequence for future indexes. So interesting part here you may be confused about is why is there a tj of plus 1. So this is actually here because we don't want overlapping indexes. For example, suppose our index has uh, maximum subsequence as 5. Now there's a subsequence. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.